Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to mattress stitch onto two pieces, onto two swatches of garter stitch. So this is when you're wanting to join these two pieces together. So I've got my darning needle. I'm using an extra large one today just so you can see what I'm doing, and I'm using a piece of contrasting yarn, but you probably will be using the same colour. So let me show you how to mattress stitch. Let's just have a look at one of these pieces to start with. So we're going to start by knitting through these loops on the side edge. There you go, you can see them there. And we're going to go through one loop here, then we'll go through the corresponding one on the other side. So let me show you how to do that. So we go through our first piece here and just pull your yarn through until you've got a small tail. Just enough so you can weave in the ends at the end. And then we go through the corresponding stitch on the other swatch. And we go backwards and forwards like this all the way up, locating these stitches and popping your needle through them. Don't worry at the moment whether this is tight or not. Don't worry about the tension. I just tend to leave it quite loose at this point, just going back and forth. It's quite nice when you get to this stage of the project because you know that you're nearly finished. And I've found, I've been knitting for, I don't know, many years now, but I always find that it really pays off to just take your time, take care at this stage, because sometimes sewing it together, it just makes all the difference if it's nice and neat. So I've gone all the way up these sides. So it looks like this at the moment. There we go. And then all we're going to do is take both ends and pull that together like that. Now you can see a little bit, you can pull it up and pull it down like that. Now if you think about it, when you can see little bits of this colour running through it, but that's because it's so hugely contrasting. But once you have put your piece together and it's the same colour, well then you've got pretty much an invisible stitch, and all you go ahead and do is just darn in the ends of the yarn to secure them, and that is how you sew together two pieces of garter stitch using a mattress stitch. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please subscribe on the button below.